everyone, welcome back to my channel. This video is the second part of my Ultimate Kolhapur Food Guide. If you haven't seen the first part yet, go and watch it now and come back to this one. From khandoi to special cocktails, stay tuned for some mouth-watering eats. I've just discovered a really interesting dish called khandoi here in Kolhapur. So first, when I looked at the dish, it just gives you a feel of French toast, like a very desi version of French toast. This has a really interesting backstory dating right from World War II.
पोलिश कॅम्प होता इथं, तेव्हा आम्ही एक रेस्टॉरंट काढलेलं. ते रेस्टॉरंट आमचं पोलिश लोकांसाठी खाणं होतं. पोलिश कॅम्प अचानक बंद झाल्यामुळं आम्ही ते बंद केलं आणि छोट्या ह्याच्यात कन्वर्ट झालो. त्यातनं आम्ही मग हे छोटे अंड्याचे प्रकार हे चालू केले. त्यावेळेला लोकांनी सजेशन्स दिले, त्या पद्धतीने आम्ही बदल करत गेलो. त्यावेळेला खांडोळी तयार झाली फ्रेंच टोस्टची.
You have cheese khandoi, you have keema khandoi, you have sandwich khandoi, you have Hollywood khandoi. So you'll get a wide variety, like an array of dishes, all centering around bread and egg. It's spicy, it's tangy, and it's super tasty. I'm just hogging like anything over here. We just picked up very different vada pav from this place called Apla Vada. So it's essentially your usual vada pav. The only thing which is different about it is that they add Kolhapuri special chutney. They apply it to the pav and then load it up with a huge vada. So I'm going to dig into that now. I'm here right in the heart of the main Kolhapur market, and one of the most popular joints over here is Milan Restaurant, which serves delicious kanda bhaji. So let's go in and try some out. Digging into this delicious looking plate of onion pakodas or kanda bhaji as we call it in Marathi. The bhajis are served with a slice of bread, a loaf slice, and salted and fried chilies. I had a little chat with the owner and he convinced me to try out another thing which is very popular over here. They call it patar bhaji. How the locals usually eat it is you take an onion pakoda and you crush it into pieces. You put the pieces in the curry or in the patar bhaji as we know it, and then mix it and have it. A very interesting combination because the crunch of the bhaji is kind of broken down by the creamy soupy texture of the patar bhaji. And before I leave, I'm also trying out their maska slice. This is slightly different than the bun maska that you usually get in Irani restaurants. This is actually a bread slice rather than a bun, and it is topped off with some home churned white butter and a sprinkling of sugar. Misal station, which serves the only customizable misal in Kolhapur. Customizable meaning they give you a spicy chutney on the side and you can add the chutney to your misal depending on your own spice level and your own palate. So if spicy food is a problem for you, you can always custom make to make it less spicy for yourself. Plus the way it's plated and everything is a slightly more modern misal. On my food journey across Kolhapur, I've stumbled upon a very interesting concept. These are two women entrepreneurs in Kolhapur who have come up with this novel concept called Ruchi Banquets, under which they make over 400 different varieties of pans. They ship their pans, their orders all over the country, and these two women are going strong. They've been gaining massive publicity, as you can see on all these articles and certificates. Let's have a little conversation with them.
त्यावेळेला माझं लग्न होऊन आले, त्यावेळेला मी ज्यावेळेला बघितलं सगळं की नाही हे प्रॉपर पानाचा बिझनेस होऊ शकतो, त्यावेळेला मग मला पण त्याच्यात आवड निर्माण झाली. मग सुरुवातीला मी माझ्या मित्रांना मदत करायची म्हणून करायला लागले. मग हळूहळू त्याच्यात मला खूपच की नाही आपण हे त्याच्यात जर आपण क्रिएटिव्हिटी करूया, स्वतःचं डोकं लावूया, स्वतःच्या मनाला जसं वाटेल तसं करून बघूया काय होतंय, आणि त्याच्यातून मग रुची बँकवेस्टची निर्मिती झाली. त्याच्यानंतर तर म्हणजे आम्ही पूर्णच की नाहीच आपण आता ह्याच्यात पूर्ण स्वतःला झोपूनच द्यायचं आणि पानाच्या संस्कृतीला पूर्ण कलाटणी द्यायची. आणि ऍक्च्युली तिथूनच पानाच्या संस्कृतीला कलाटणी मिळाली. आज जे दिसतंय पानाचं थोडं तरी चित्र बदललेलं समाजात दिसतंय की नाही एक लेडीज जाऊन पान खाऊ शकते पानाच्या दुकानात, हेच आम्हाला पाहिजे होतं आणि आम्ही ते कुठेतरी अचीव करण्यात सक्सेस झालो असं मला आत्ता वाटतंय.
Next stop, Raja Bhau Bhel. A legendary name in Kolhapur, I promise Raja Bhau Bhel is unlike any other bhel you have had before. And the secret, I believe, is that they use bhadang instead of your regular murmuras. And finally, I'm ending my food journey at the iconic Solanki Cold Drink House, indulging in their sinful special cocktail. A must-have if you're a sweet tooth. So this was my amazing Kolhapur food journey in short. If you have any recommendations on which other cities are great to explore food, drop a comment and let me know. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.